APP Manufacturing. How to install a ProTek wear pad. Standard items you will need: the wear pad, epoxy cartridge, static mixing tip, applicator gun. Optional items you will need: quick dry cleaner and towel, emery cloth or sandpaper, zip ties, ratchet strap, or duct tape. Prepare the portion of the pipe where the wear pad will be installed by roughening it with sandpaper to remove loose scale, paint, or debris. Clean both the pipe surface and the wear pad's inner surface. Use the quick drying cleaner to spray the pipe and the inside of the wear pad and wipe away any dust or residue with a towel or paper towel. Unscrew the black nut on the epoxy cartridge, remove the plugs, add the mixing nozzle to the cartridge, screw the nut back on, and you're ready to load the epoxy cartridge into the applicator gun. Dispense epoxy on the inside diameter of the wear pad. Line the perimeter and then do a snake-like design covering the inside of the perimeter you created close enough that when placed on the pipe, the epoxy will spread to cover the surface area. Firmly press the wear pad into place and slightly rotate to evenly spread the epoxy. Apply a restraining device to hold the wear pad in place. This can be zip ties, ratchet straps, or even something as simple as duct tape. Once in place, add an epoxy seal around the outer edge of the wear pad to ensure no moisture can penetrate between the wear pad and the pipe. Use a towel, paper towel, or gloved finger to smear the perimeter epoxy to guarantee full coverage and remove any excess. And that's it. Good work!